Hello and welcome to my module one video presentation. I decided to do a web application to build a web application using Python Django, and this was quite the learning experience for me. Having very little experience with using frameworks. The good thing was I had some experience with HTML and CSS, and so I was able to build a web application. What I built was a simple to-do list. Uh, I tried doing two projects. The first one I did was a URL shortener, and then the next one was a to-do list. I had fun doing the to-do list, and that's why I'm presenting that one in this video. And, so as you can see in my screen, this is the CSS and HTML that I used to build the web application, and the front end looks like this. Yeah, the front end looks like that. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this. Basically what this app does is like a simple to-do list, a place where you can store tasks that you need to carry out. And so I'm gonna say for the first thing, go running. Oh, I spelled that wrong. Anyway, go running. I say code a hello world program, and then it adds that to the database. Django is literally a framework, a foundation upon which you can build so many things around using HTML, CSS. You also the fun thing about the database aspect of Django is that, and this is something I learned, you write the databases using classes. So that's a bit of object-oriented programming in Python. So this is my app. There's a file called models.py. This is where you go to create like a table for your database. And so the title is basically what the user inputs. Give it a max length of 1000. And then you return this to the user. And that's basically what you see when you hit enter or add, it shows this to you. There's other functionalities going on in the back end. URLs, it helps with the landing page, index here being index.html, which is found in the templates folder. Yeah, so if I were to add like a second page, which I couldn't get to in this project, it would go into the template file, and then I would be able to link those pages together in my views file. Yeah, all these ones, when you have a template and you create a URL for it, and a database for it, you come here to make sure that the functionalities that you need on the web page are carried out over here. It's a lot of technical terms that I haven't really mastered yet, but it was fun doing this project. And so yeah, let's go back to the app. We can add a couple more things. And I'm gonna say get a freelance contract to make some money. But yeah, and then you have the option to delete whatever. In the future, what I want to do is to add like a calendar or a timer on this thing so that it can help the users know, at what times they need to do what. That is more useful. But this one is a very basic, simple app. Django offers an admin page where you can have a look at your projects and the databases are involved in your project. Yeah, these are basically the stuff that I just added to my program, and it saves them in the database. The database I was using, and I think because I'm using VS Code, is SQLite. Yeah, there are other databases that Django uses, and I think it's based on your programming environment. So yeah, but in my settings, you can see that the database that I am using is, yeah. Oh, no, not here. Yeah, right there, SQLite 3. So yeah, this is my program. Thanks for watching.